Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. I am going to do this mask, so I'm going to get started and then I'll have some things to talk to y'all about. I am doing this Mask Monday as a collab with Carol Gardner, just Carol and me, and we're going to give away some sheet masks. And Carol, you'll have to be subscribed publicly to Carol and to me. And I'll have Carol's channel below. I know you know her, but if you don't know her, you can know her now. I cannot get this open. I never can open things, y'all. So I'm gonna cut it with a scissor and I'll tell you about these masks as we go. And youch, why is it so hard for me? I don't know, y'all. But anyway, I sent a mask like this to Carol. I don't remember which one I sent to her. But there were, I'll show you the box in a minute. Well, there were a few in this package. I got these as a gift from Marie, and I did show you when I got them a while ago, and they're very nice. I like them. You can buy them on Amazon. So this one has, I think they all have sea creatures on them. This one is this beautiful shiny blue. So I'll try to get it on nice, and then I'll tell you a few things. I'll show you the masks that you can win. And so anyway, let me tell you about Carol while I'm doing this. I have known Carol a very long time. I met Carol, I think even before I started a channel. She was a friend, she was a subscriber of other people, and we chat. And when I started my channel, she became one of my, first subscribers, and we just hit it off. And I've known her a good few years now, and she is just a wonderful lady. And she's had a lot of stuff this past year. About a year ago now, she fell chasing her baby little dog and broke her hip. And she's had a hard recovery, y'all. But she does videos. She does unboxings. She does, she used to do Get Ready With Me's. Well, not really. I don't think she ever did Get Ready With Me's. But anyway, she does Mask Monday. She does unboxings. She gets some beautiful things. She gets a lot of fun lifestyle boxes and makeup products and things like that. And anyway, yeah, I just love her. I've known her a long time, like I said, and we've just been really, really wonderful bestie friends for a while. So let me tell you about this mask. This is the one I used. Isn't that beautiful? So it's got these sea creatures on it. And this is the Marine Collagen Facial Mask. This one has hyaluronic acid, pearl extract, and marine complex. And it says True to You Beauty. And these were sent to me a while back. I did do a video on it. Excuse me. Oh goodness. Camila's right here and her fur is coming up. There's 6 masks in this box. And they're dermatologist recommended. And professional treatment, wrinkles, dry skin, and photo aging. So if you would like to win this giveaway, you will have to be subscribed to me and to Carol, and you'd have to be public. I'm going to do some this or that's, and I'm going to show you some sheet masks. So I haven't done anything like this in a while, but it's sort of fun this time of year to do a this or that. I haven't seen anybody do them in a while, but it's what you do is you say 2 things and then you choose. So this or that, would you prefer a hayride or a walk through the woods? So then, if you want to answer in the comments, you're welcome to. If you want to just answer privately at home, you can. If you have a channel and you want to do these questions, you're welcome to. So, hayride, I like them both. See, that's the thing. A lot of the this and that's, you either like them both or you dislike them both. But I like those both. But I would probably prefer a walk through the woods. I love to walk through the leaves, and I love to see the changing trees. And this year, we hardly ever have too many changing trees here where I live. But this year, I haven't seen practically any It's dismal. No fall leaves here. So I love when people post pictures of them and everything. It's really nice. And next one is pumpkin spice latte or hot apple cider. Now I love the scent of pumpkin. I love a pumpkin spice latte smell. If I'm out with people and somebody else gets it, I want to smell it, but it's too rich for me. I'd much rather have the hot apple cider. Love that. Would you rather go to a corn maze or to a haunted house? And I like them both, so I would probably choose the haunted house. Would you prefer to watch football or go shopping? No question right there, shopping. Now, I will watch football. I do. I have had times in my life where the person that I'm with in my life is very into football, and then I get into football. But if there's not a man in my life that's into football, then I'm not necessarily all that into football. So, and I don't really love shopping. So, but I'd rather go shopping than watch football. Apple pie or pumpkin pie? And definitely, no, hands down, apple pie, especially if it's my mother's homemade apple pie. And then we have, a campfire with spooky stories, or a spooky, scary movie, whatever, inside the house. And I love a campfire. Love to gather around the campfire. It's a little chilly outside. You have to have on a hoodie or something, and you roast some marshmallows, maybe make some s'mores. I love that. I don't like scary movies. I like thrillers, but I don't like the blood and guts, thriller stabber movies. I don't like any of that stuff. So I'd much rather be at a campfire any day of the week. An apple orchard or a pumpkin patch? And of course, I like both. So which would I prefer? I do like going to the apple orchard. Haven't been in a few years. Probably the pumpkin patch would be more fun, just because it's closer to Halloween. So now, but I do like both. And that is my this or that's. I thought I had another one, but it's like a duplicate. So I don't even know how many there were. Weren't very many. This is what you can win if you are interested in winning this giveaway. I have a Tony Moly I'm Lemon mask for you. This is a brightening mask. This is a great mask. It fits really well. I must say, this is staying on me very nice. This is a wonderful mask. I really like it. It feels good, and your skin does feel really good afterwards. And then I have one of these Freeman. Now this mask it's like a two-part mask. It's just the top part of the mask. So it goes over your forehead and your eyes, and it is the silver. I got these in silver, gold, and I think rose gold. So that's that one. And I have a lovely mask from Face Story. I love Face Story. I'm an affiliate for them. They've changed their process a little bit, but I think if you use my link below, you'll save some money if you shop on their website. This is the Elderflower, the Dream Garden Elderflower mask. And there are several Dream Garden masks that they do make. The Elderflower mask actually has these beautiful little flowers on the mask. So that's a very pretty mask. And then I have one of these masks that I have on. This one is this design here. So that's the difference there. And then on the back, this is what I had, and this is what you'll get. This one is, the mask color is coral pink. Now, some of these masks, the background was a color. I think it was I can't remember, honestly. And then some of them were like this. So I don't know if this one is white with some pink things on it, or if it's a background color of pink. I don't know. But that would be your winnings if you win. So say the word pumpkin, Pumpkin, if you'd like to be entered in this giveaway. And don't just say that word, please put it in a sentence. And that is it. This will run until Sunday of next week. That will be, what will that be? 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's November 5th, I think. And I'll say noon, but it's more like 2 in the afternoon is when I'll cut it off. And because I have to film my Mask Monday on Sunday evening for the following Monday, because I have to go to work on Monday. So that's when I'll pick. Sunday, I think it's November 5th at noon Central is when it will end. And like I said, you have to be subscribed to me and to Carol Gardner. And go over to her video, please, and say hello. If you don't know her, tell her Mary sent you, and check her out her channel. And I think y'all will like her. She's really down to earth, and she does show a lot of fabulous goodies. So, and she's funny, and she's beautiful. And you'll see Sissy, her little Sissy girl dog comes up on her a lot. Smaller than my cats, y'all. Probably smaller than Camille. Camille is right here sleeping. She's been very sleepy lately. She had surgery this past week, so she's just resting. And also, Carol has Louie, which is a cat, but I don't think we ever see him on film, I don't think. And then Chewy, which is a dog that she has he's just the best dog. And you can hear him snoring a lot in her videos. You don't often see him, but you can hear him. So anyway, y'all, go check out Miss Carol and tell her Mary sent you if you don't know her. And that is it. She'll have her video. I'm not sure what time her video is going up for Mask Monday, so keep a watch out for it. As soon as I see it go up, I'll put it in my description for you to find it, okay? Or I'll maybe even pin it in a comment. So thanks y'all for stopping by. Count your blessings. Do something to take care of yourself today, y'all. And take care. Bye-bye.